Measures. Those public health emergencies.
The payroll, we services and the State Department.
After it has been, we have established, the biggest thing now is to actually look at how we entrench it legally, so that we need an act of parliament to entrench it.
Events of the recent years, from the COVID-19 pandemic to the Ebola outbreaks in neighboring countries, have taught us hard lessons. We must have strong institutions capable of acting swiftly and decisively to protect the health of our people. And this is why the National Public Health Institutes are so vital.